Pick it up and go, easy to carry. A machine in hand, no worries about marking. Innovative, convenient button-on key boot start. Intelligent touch interface function is in control. Easily control all kinds of materials, marking speed 7,000 mm s. Focus gasket. F160 prime focus hood. Demonstration of operation. F100 prime focus cover. Demonstration of operation. Power supply adapter. Auxiliary tools.
U-disc.
1064 nanometers laser protective glasses. 1064 nanometers laser protective glass box interior display. Mirror wiping paper. Stylus control pen. Ear blowing ball. Cleaning demonstration of ear ball lens.